National Weather Service in Aberdeen has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Edmonds County in north-central South Dakota, northern Brown County in northeastern South Dakota, eastern McPherson County in north-central South Dakota, until 1 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 12:01 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Lela, 21 miles northeast of Ipswich, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Atonka and Grassline Colony around 12:05 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Frederick, Westport and Barnard around 12:20 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations in the path of the severe thunderstorm include Sand Lake Wildlife Refuge, Howden and Claremont. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1 a.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in South Dakota: Brown, Edmonds and McPherson.